Hello, my name's Ishbel from Quinta to Cobral and welcome to my studio. We are going through some very strange times at the moment. This COVID-19 virus means that I can no longer teach my soap making courses face to face at the moment. So I thought I'd have to come up with a different idea, something new and something that would bring my studio into your home. I already sell soap making kits on my website. I do 2 at the moment, but there will be more coming. I do a solid making kit and a liquid kit, and they're both going to be available with videos alongside now. So I'm going to take you through the solid kit, show you what's in it, and just so that you know what to expect. This is the best one to start with, in a sense, because it uses the most basic equipment that you need. Probably you've already got everything in your kitchen already. Okay, so you get the box in the post, and guess what's in it? First of all, an envelope with the instructions. You also have a card. On the card is all my contact details, so if you have any queries, questions, you're unsure about anything, just send me an email. I'll get back to you and let you know and help you when I can. You also have all of your lovely soap ingredients. They turn up in these little pouches. These are waxed line pouches, these two. Already, they're already weighed out for your use, so you don't have to think about that, which is great. This pouch is slightly different. It's a foil lined pouch designed to take liquid. It contains coconut oil, and that's because coconut oil will sometimes melt at a fairly low temperature, and I don't want it to melt in the box. I need it to come to you in perfect condition. So that's why this one is slightly different. So I'm going to show you now the soaps that you're going to get by using this kit. Here we go, here they are. This one here is exactly what you would make if you used just the kit and nothing else. It's unfragranced, and I don't put fragrances in with the kit. It's difficult because it's such a personal thing. If you go onto the website, I have a whole section of essential oils available for sale, so you can have a look and choose which ones you like and order them at the same time as you order the kit. To show you that you can customise them, I've made some soaps here, the same recipe, but using everyday ingredients that you will probably already have in your store cupboard at home. This uses poppy seeds. Lovely, they look very pretty, and they're exfoliating, so it's great for dry skin. These 2 soaps here are made with the addition of just straightforward porridge oats, the kind that you'd have for breakfast in the morning. They make the soap even creamier, and they produce a great facial soap. So there you go. Thank you for watching the video. I really hope that we can do this journey together and carry on, and I'll make some more videos and we can make some more soap together and have some fun. Thanks again. Bye.